Good morning, my dear kids. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. We will start our day with prayer. All of you join your hands. Close your eyes. Thank you, God, for the word so sweet. Thank you, God, for the birds that sing. Thank you, God, for the food we eat. Thank you, God, for everything. Gently open your eyes. Very good. Now it's our warm-up time. Are you ready? Yes. Straight your hands. Hands down. Again. Straight your hands. Rotate your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hands down. Tap your shoulders. Yes. Rub your palm. Slowly, slowly, fast. Slowly, slowly, fast. Slowly, slowly, fast. And keep it on your cheeks. Very good. Children, today we are going to learn about birds. Learn about birds. I know you all have studied about birds in your LKG class. Can anyone say something about birds? Okay. Birds can be found all over the world. They have feathers and wings. They have feathers and wings. Most birds can fly. Most birds can fly. Kids, you must have seen birds flying around your house, right? But you know their names? Now I am going to show the pictures of different kinds of birds. And let's learn about their names also. Okay? See the picture? Crow. Say loudly, crow. This is a crow. C for crow. A crow is black in color. कौन सी color का है? Black color. A crow is black in color. See the next picture. Sparrow. Say loudly, sparrow. S for sparrow. This is a sparrow. A sparrow eats small food grains. See the next picture. Can you say which bird is this? Yes. This is a pigeon. This is a pigeon. This is a parrot. Parrot is green in color. It has red beak. Children, do you know parrot talks? Now children, see the next picture. This is a duck. This is a duck. Duck can swim. Duck can swim. What is the next picture? Kingfisher. This is a kingfisher. This is a kingfisher. Children, do you know kingfisher bird catches small fishes and eat? The next bird is eagle. Eagle is a big bird which flies high in the sky. Next picture is woodpecker. Have you seen any woodpeckers? Woodpecker cuts holes in the trees using their beak to build their homes. Their beaks are so strong. This is a crane. Say loudly, this is a crane. Crane eats fishes and frogs. Owl. O for owl. This is an owl. An owl comes out of its nest only in the night. Kids, what is this in the picture? This is a penguin. Have you ever heard of a penguin? Penguins are not a common bird which can be found everywhere. Normally they are seen in snow-filled coastal areas. See the next picture. Ostrich. O is for ostrich. Ostrich is one of the biggest bird. It is a bird, then also it cannot fly. But it is a champion runner. Okay kids? Children, once again we will see the birds which we have already learned. Children, please repeat after me. Okay? Pigeon, sparrow, duck, parrot, kingfisher, crow, eagle, owl, woodpecker, penguin, ostrich and crane. Now we are going to conclude our class. Okay? Bye-bye.